So part of LiveGood's compensation plan is the 50% matching bonus. All right. So what this means is for every personal referral that you bring into LiveGood, you're going to get a 50% matching bonus check every single month. So just say, for example, you bring in one person to LiveGood, you refer one person, and that person goes hard as hell. Right? They really go hard with LiveGood, and they start earning $1,000 a month. Right? You're going to earn $500 a month, right, from that one person's effort. All right. So if another person might only make $200 a month in LiveGood, you're getting $100. Somebody else might be making $2,000 a month that you brung in. You're going to earn $1,000. So you can see how the money adds up. This is how all those people in LiveGood is earning $10,000, $20,000 a month. They're doing it from these 50% matching bonuses. So you got to ask yourself, how many people will you refer to LiveGood? Now, if you want to get started with LiveGood, you can do so right now by clicking that link in the description and taking this short LiveGood tour. Now let's go.